Folks, this is One Piece OP16, The Time of Battle. English edition by the single box, random number 33. We have the die telling us 6 times. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6 times with our 6 pips. Here is our order. Send you guys back to the table. Get this thing printed. Get this thing printed. I'm curious how we're doing on paper. If this room runs out of paper again and no one knows where the paper is, I might go ballistic. Here we go. Let's clean up these. There we go. Good luck, folks. Still looking to see an SP. Still looking for an SP. Younger brother, Marine. Jinbei on the number 7, Vasco on the 0. There's Jinbei. Mr. 1 on the number 4, Zehahahaha, number 6. Odin. Yeah, Monkey D. Luffy on the number 5, and Newgate Edward on the number 3. Anyone ever call him Ned Newgate? That'd be a fun nickname for him. Number 3 on the SR, that is Ruiz with the SR hit. Portgaz the ace, we got the later with Teach on the 0, Bucket of Clown, San Juan on the number 6, and Borsalino on the number 3. Borsalino, Swagolino, Arlong. There's Mr. 2 on the number 5, Luffy on the number 5, Monkey D. Luffy. Zehahahaha, number 6, Monkey D. Luffy on the number 4, and there is some Don. Don. So we get random off at the end. Squad. Luffy on the number 2, Mr. 1 on the number 4, and Mr. 3, Galdino on the SR at the number 6. At the number 6. Older brother Marine, Katarina on the number 4, and Shiryu on the SR, that is the number 8. Mr. Roofer. There's Ace. Jinbei on the number 7. Now we got Yamato on the number 8 for the SR. That is Mr. Roofer. That is Mr. Roofer. There's our long. Mr. 2 on the number 5, number 5 on the Momo. Mihawk. I got Moby Dick on the number 1 and San Juan on the number 6. Traffy on the 0, and oh shoot, another alt later. Sengoku, bright and purple on the number 0. Who's got it? Royal. A little bit of that killer mojo kicking in for Royal with the 0 spot. 60 on the alt later. Sengoku. Love the designs of the alt leaders in this set, man. They are freaking nice. There we got Nami on number 1, number 5 on the Momo. Sometimes these alt leader boxes will have a total of 3 to 4 really cool hits in it. I got Ace on the number 1, Kuzan on the number 3, and 7 on the Yamato. Marco, Phoenix on the number 4 on the rare, and there's Yamato on the alt art. On the alt art. And that is an alt SR for the number 8. Who's got the number 8? Mr. Roofer getting the Yamato. From the land of Wano. There's Odin. Luffy on the number 4, and Ivankov of the Revolutionary Army out of Impel Down. That is number 6. This SR going out to David Trang. Ivankov got the Horm fruit. There's Jesus Borges. Prisoner of Impel Down on the number 2, and Kinemon on the number 2 for the SR. I actually don't know if it's Jesus or Jesus on the Borges. Borges? I've only read it. I haven't seen the anime, so I haven't heard anyone say his name before. Arlong. Now we got Buggy on the number 1. That's Kobe on the number 4, and let's go to the Navy headquarters on the number 8 for the rare. For the rare. Marco on the number 4, Sengoku Buddha on the number 7. Buddha. Now we got Zoro, Sengoku on the leader on the 0, Kuzan on 3, and 2 for the Ben Beckman. How do you do? Spade Jill. Yamato on the leader on the number 9. We got Sengoku on number 7, and there is the secret rare you're looking for in this set. That is number 9. Marcola. If I remember right, this is still a card that pays for more than the spot. Number 9. That SR for that secret rare, bro. Highly playable. People building out decks utilizing the Marshall Day Teach. You gotta use that card on the secret rare hit. Buggy on number 1. We got Prisoner of Impel Down on number 2, and 3 for the Swagolino. Borsalino, Swagolino. Borsalino, Swagolino. There we got number 8 on the rare, Little Orange Jr. on number 7 on the rare, and there is our second Don. Don times 2. That's them both. That is them both. Last pack. See if we got some last pack magic. Sometimes we get 4 hits out of these boxes with the alt arts. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got Yamato on number 7 and Buggy on the SR. Hey, we'll take an SR over a normal rare. Number 8 for Buggy the Clown. Number 8. Folks, we do have a random here for the Don top 2 spots. Get it. Top 2 spots. Good luck, folks. We have 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6 times. David Trang and Mr. Roofer getting the Don. For our SRs, we have number 8, 2, 6, 8, 8, 6, and 3. We have the secret rare of Teach. Great card again. This one's performing very decent with the deck doing really well. That's the number 9. Sengoku on the alt later. Love the design on these. Look at the top there with the textured foiling. These are all beautiful designs, man. 0 spot. And Yamato on the alt SR on the number 8. Folks, that was a One Piece OP16 English edition by Single Box random number 33. Thank you all very much.